Attendance is very important because I value his educational experience. I want him to be as bright as he can possibly be.
Attendance is important at this level because these children learn a lot of valuable skills. They learn how to get along with people, they learn how to share, they learn how to take turns.
Having great attendance is very important because it gets you ready for the real world.
I don't want her to have to settle or deal with daily struggles. So in order to get to that education level, she has to be in school to get it.
Just think about it when you're going into the workforce, the military, college, because your college professors are going to expect you to come to class on time. And when you're missing class, you're missing that instructional time to be successful. So coming to school every day on time is very important.
If your child is not in school, they're missing out on important information, updates, classwork, the opportunity to engage with friends.
I wake him up at the same time every day, make sure he has breakfast.
We get up in the morning, we wash our face, we brush our teeth, we get dressed, we make up our bed, have breakfast.
I make sure my clothes are out for the week on Sunday.
We start at night. We go to bed a little earlier at night. We go homework, dinner, baths. We all do all it a little earlier at night, so we get up a little earlier in the morning.
Prepare the night before.
It's just making sure that she's up at a good time, and then also just getting stuff out like the night before.
Make sure that they go to bed early.
Kids are way easier to get up in the mornings if they are in bed about a certain time.
Have a routine in place the night before at least. Like have their clothes out, have their lunches prepared.
The tone of voice affects their day, how they get out of the car. And the second thing I would say is totally breakfast.
We try to stick to our routine as much as we can. It does be times that it gets thrown off, but just try to sit down and plan how the day normally will go. Get whatever you're doing at nighttime now, try to do it differently. If you're not getting the clothes out, prepare for breakfast or meals. Just try to do things a little differently from that point, because that's what we started doing this year, and it's actually been working out a lot easier than last year.